Is it really possible to clear your acne in 90 days or less? The short answer, yes. But it's really not a one-size-fits-all solution. Let me show you exactly how I get my clients and customers clear through my acne clearing program. If you're new to this channel, my name is Elizabeth Steffen. I am a licensed esthetician and acne specialist. I have 20 years experience helping people with their skin, and I am also an acne sufferer myself. I'm super passionate about helping people get clear skin because I know what it's like to go out into the world and have people look at you or question you and look at your skin funny. And I don't want that for anybody else. I want people to feel comfortable and confident in their own skin. So I'm put together this video to show you the step-by-step process of what I do with my clients in my treatment room to get them clear. The first thing that people do when they come to my spa is they come in for a 90-minute consultation in first-time treatment. Now, they're going to fill out some paperwork with a lot of medical background, medications, products that they've used, how long they've had acne for. It's a very, very thorough consultation. And then I take them into my treatment room, I look at their skin, I perform a treatment on them, I assess their skin. What kind of acne do they have? What kind of grade of acne do that they have? And I do a treatment on them. Usually I'm trying to always create balance in their skin, keep it hydrated, a little exfoliation. I'm just asking a ton of questions too about their lifestyle. And getting to know them a little bit and getting to know their skin because everybody has very unique skin. At the end of the appointment, I send them home with a products. I send them home with products, not just a product. Sometimes the product can just be the kit, but sometimes I send them home with full-size products as well. And I teach them how to use the products in a morning routine and a nighttime routine. And 80% of the results are gonna come from what they're doing at home. The other 20% is me coaching and guiding them. And, maybe 5%, 8%, maybe 10% of that is actually the treatments. I love doing treatments. There's so much that I can accomplish in a treatment, but when it comes to acne, the real magic happens with what you're doing at home at night and first thing in the morning. So if you are doing the online self-guided acne coaching program that I offer on my website, I teach you how in the videos, how to make the adjustments yourself. It's not as easy to do it yourself. It's so easy to overthink things or underthink things or just not understand things because honestly, it's really complicated. But when people go home with the products and you're using the products at home, it really does make a huge difference in the skin. Trust me on that. If you want to actually know how to use the products in a concise way, there's a much longer video I have on that. It's, click the link in the description. It's a free secret resource. This is the magic right here. So you definitely want to get in on that. And there is a special offer for my starter kit, but you can learn how to build your own routine with other products as well. I wanted to be very open about that and let you know and understand that you have to purchase the skincare products in order to get clear, or else it's not going to work. You can try all kinds of things. I can't guarantee results on anything else. I'm all about nutrition and lifestyle. I have other videos on all that stuff and talk about it all the time. And I talk about that a lot in my first appointment too. So I give people a lifestyle packet. Hormones, supplements, all the things on that first appointment. It's actually very overwhelming. And I say, don't worry about it. We got time. I'll see you in 2 weeks. So I set them up with their home care routine for the next 2 weeks, morning and night. And then they come back in 2 weeks for their follow-up appointment. Follow-up appointment, I am taking photographs, which I forgot to mention that we do photographs on their first appointment too. And the second appointment, we're already looking for results. Their skin should already significantly be better. And so I do side-by-side images and I share that with them at that second appointment to show them the progress that they're making. If you're doing the at-home self-guided acne clearing program, I really do recommend you take pictures because it's so easy to forget what you looked like And as you progress even further, and if you start having a couple breakouts here and there, just remember where you actually started from. So at the second week appointment, after we look at the photos and after we do a skincare treatment, I'm going to adjust the home care. Usually this is a really simple change. I just say use the benzoyl peroxide a little bit more and use the serum, the morning serum a little bit more. That's about it. It's not always the case. Sometimes I maybe keep them doing the same thing if they're getting really amazing results. Then I'll make adjustments their next appointment. So my clients come in every 2 weeks for about 6 to 8 appointments. So 12 to 16 weeks, 3 to 4 months. And every time they come in, I'm pretty much doing the same thing. They're getting a treatment, I'm reassessing their skin, I'm doing pictures, and I'm tweaking their home care. It's so easy to get stagnant, and it's so easy for our skin to adapt. It's like training in the gym. If you did the same thing, your body adapts. You're like, oh my gosh, that weight is so light now. What do? You got to lift heavier. The skin responds in a similar way. Sometimes you got to use stronger products. So we make these judgment calls on the spot while I'm working with somebody over that 3 to 4 month period of time. At the 90-day mark or 120-day mark, if they're 3 to 4 months, we pretty much send them on their way. They know what to do to get their skin clear now. We're still really available for them for those random flare-ups and stuff like that because they do happen. But ultimately, over the 3 to 4 month period of time, we're trying to give people the skills to get their skin clear. Now, I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, get that free download, and leave me a comment if you guys have any questions about this, and I will see you on the next video.